Ready for this, Rob? How about you, Cassie?
Very ready.
Sweet. Biking wine tour. Here outside, where are we? Canterbury? No?
No.
So I'm obviously not from this country. Located on Lake Wakatipu, and with the Southern Alps as its backdrop, is Queenstown. This is where you head for an epic ski holiday, and is also known as the place you go to do some extreme sports, such as skydiving and bungee jumping. Or in our case, just head down to the park and get in on some slacklining. You're having no help. You're having no help. Come on, Cassie, you're doing good.
I'm still shaking. Look how much my leg is wobbling.
Oh my God.
So good. Now the jump.
Let's see the jump.
Woo!
Not happening today. And when you're starving from all those activities, why not head over to the famous Fergburger and get one of their high-end and creative burgers? I completely forgot to take a video of our experience eating the burgers, but I can confirm it's worth the line. To work off that burger, I can definitely recommend the 6-hour return hike up to the summit of Ben Lomond. I don't know about you, but I'm starving. You'll also get a great view of Queenstown and the surrounding areas. Would you say this was one of the harder treks we've done?
It's probably the steepest for sure.
That last bit was just... excited for this. I've never done a bike wine tour before. See how this goes after a couple glasses. Could then try it as well. Might be interesting. Oh yeah, this is nice. We made it to our first winery, Gibson Valley Winery. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. And what wine tasting is complete without a bit of a beer tasting here at Cargo Brewery.